basically. Ooh, what cases? Chroma 2. Just one. I'd really enjoy a knife, a nice karambit Doppler. Click, click, click. I'm feeling the yellow popping up right about now. That's a P250 Valence. Alright. I only had enough for one case. Ooh, it's minimal wear. That's pretty fucking good. This fucking music is trash as well. That shit down. Do we really have to wait 4 minutes?
I'll get on Battlegrounds. Good fun, good fun.
Good fun. Interesting.
Now listen, I got stuff to do. Get something there.
Get the knife!
Get the knife.
Get the scissors!
Get the knife.
You got scissors in your room on your dresser!
What is going on?
Is Cole getting? I don't know if he's getting roasted right now.
Jesus. I'm sorry for now. Living home by myself half the time. What have we done?
Cole's getting flamed.
Yep.
Poor dude.
Jesus Christ, fucking Cole, man.
You get roasted for spending $100 in Steam cases.
God.
Fucking CS.
I got. Hey.
Knife! Knife! Oh my god! I actually just got a knife!
No, you never.
I did a butterfly knife! Isaac!
Oh
Isaac!
God.
Isaac, wait, I can replay it. Yo, boys, I just got a knife! I just
From
got
what
a knife! Here it is, it's replaying his fucking glitch. See what it is, come on, fade, 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 fade. Yes, fade! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! What's butterfly knife bang?
You're a disappointment.
Wow!
How?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Pissed.
Oh my god, I was replaying it too. Oh my god, factory now. Oh my god. $410. $410. Oh my god.
More than your karambit.
I fucking recorded it too.
Is that the most expensive knife you've ever unboxed?
Yep.